Hello everyone, this is Rahul Jakaria from Sharekhan. Welcome back to exciting 3R actionable stock updates. 3R basically means right sector, right quality and right valuation. These are our investment ideas. Today we have an update on Sumitomo Chemicals. Our analysts upgrade the stock from hold to buy in expectation of good domestic demand recovery and increase in margin estimates. Domestic demand would improve on account of a normal monsoon, and margins have improved because company has liquidated all the high-cost inventory in previous quarters. At current market price, the stock trades at 41 times its FY25 and 32 times its FY26 earnings estimates, which is lower than historic valuation. Next, we have an update on Aditya Birla Fashion and Retail. Our analyst maintains buy rating on Aditya Birla Fashion and Retail with a revised price target of Rs 400. ABFRL registered good performance in Q4 with revenue growing by 18% year-on-year, while EBITDA margin expanding 163 bps year-on-year to 8.3%, leading to 47% year-on-year growth in EBITDA. Pantaloons revenue grew 12%, like-for-like growth of 1%. New business such as ethnic wear and Tomorrow registered strong growth of 51% and 2.1 times year-on-year respectively. Net debt at FY24 end is at Rs 2900 crore. By FY25 end, management expect net debt for Aditya Birla Lifestyle brands to be at 600 to 700 crore and the demerged ABFRL entity to have negligible debt or to be net debt positive. Post fundraising, the stock trades at 21 times its FY25 and 16 times FY26 EV by EBITDA. Last we cover Emami Ltd. Our analyst maintains buy rating on Emami with a revised price target of Rs 635. Emami's Q4 operating performance was good as compared to earlier quarter with a 6.4% volume growth, revenue growth of 7%, EBITDA margin stood stable at 23.7%. Management expects an over 10% growth in FY25 as rural demand recovers, distribution widens and strong summers aid good growth in summer-centric portfolio in Q1 of FY25. EBITDA margins rose 120 bps year-on-year to 26.5% in FY24. Margin expansion will sustain despite higher ad spend in FY25. Stock trades at attractive valuation of 24 times FY25 and 21 times FY26 estimated earnings. Good recovery in rural demand will uplift Emami's performance in FY25.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.